Good morning, students. Yesterday, History, Unit 6, Early Revolts Against British Rule in Tamil Nadu. Yesterday, we saw Kattabomman. The continuation of the Kattabomman, listen here carefully, students. The siege of Panchalam Kurichi. In May 1799, Lord Wellesley, belonged to English East India Company, ordered the troops, the advanced Trichy, Tanjore, Madurai to Tirunelveli. The advanced troops, Trichy, Tanjore, Madurai to Tirunelveli. Lord Wellesley ordered the English East India Company to fight against Tamil kingdoms. Major Bannerman belonged to English East India Company, commanded the troops. In Travancore government, the Travancore troops also joined to the British. September 1799, the Bannerman ordered Kattabomman to surrender, but Kattabomman was refused. Kattabomman was refused to surrender. Bannerman attacked the Panchalam Kurichi fort on 5th September 1799. The fort was destroyed during that time, and the communication of the fort were cut off by the English East India Company. Bannerman, under the leadership of Bannerman, the communication of the Panchalam Kurichi fort were cut off. After that, Bannerman deputed Ramalingana to surrender the Kattabomman, but Kattabomman was refused. So, Bannerman decided to attack Kattabomman, and Siva Subramanian are taken as prisoner. Execution of Kattabomman. The Bannerman attacked Kattabomman during that time. Both Bannerman and Kattabomman fought against each other. Finally, Kattabomman was not able to tackle the advanced forces of English East India Company under the leadership of Bannerman. So, Kattabomman escaped to Pudukkottai. But Kattabomman was captured by English East India Company. And the Siva Subramanian are executed by the English East India Company at Nagalapuram. Executed means capital punishment. And then Kattabomman was executed, and on the tamarind tree at Kayathar in Tirunelveli district, the Kattabomman was hanged on the tamarind tree at Kayathar in Tirunelveli district, noted by the English East India Company under the leadership of Bannerman. The Marudu brothers. The Marudu brothers were named Periya Marudu and younger brother named Chinna Marudu. Both of them known as Marudu brothers. Both Periya Marudu and Chinna Marudu were able generals of the Muthuvadugar. Already I taught you Muthuvadugar. Periya Marudu and Chinnamarudu were able general of Muthuvadugar of Sivagangai. After the Muthuvadugar's death, the Marudu brothers assisted Velu Nachiyar. Their help goes to Velu Nachiyar. Velu Nachiyar was the wife of Muthuvadugar. After the Muthuvadugar died, the Marudu brothers, both the Periya Marudu and Chinna Marudu, assisted Velu Nachiyar. In the 18th century, Marudu brothers against the English East India Company. They fought against the English East India Company. After the death of Kattabomman, they worked along with Oomathurai. Oomathurai was Kattabomman's brother. They worked along with the brother of Kattabomman, the Oomathurai. After that, they plundered the granaries of the English East India Company and damaged the English East India Company also. Rebellion of Marudu brothers. Second Palayakarar War. The second Palayakarar War, directed by Marudu Pandian of Sivagangai. Directed by Marudu Pandian of Sivagangai. And Gopala Nayak of Dindukkal. Kerala Varma of Malabar. Krishnappa Nayak and Dundaji of Mysore. These Tamil peoples, the confederacy were made against the British. Second Palayakarar War. Before that, directed by the Marudu Pandian of Sivagangai, Gopala Nayak of Dindukkal, Kerala Varma of Malabar, Krishnappa Nayak and Dundaji of Mysore. They joined together and confederacy against the English East India Company. Finally, all of these leaders meet at Virupachi. And they decided to attack English East India Company. The English East India Company was defeated. Gopala Nayak of Dindukkal and Kerala Varma of Malabar. After that, the English East India Company was victorious and many Palayakaras were hanged during that time. In 1801, two brothers of Kattabomman, Oomathurai and Sevathaiah, escaped from Palayam Kotte. In 1801, two brothers of Kattabomman, Oomathurai and Sevathaiah, escaped from Palayam Kotte to Kamudi. Chinna Marudu took them Siruvayal. Chinna Marudu goes to these people, Oomathurai and Sevathaiah, the brothers of Kattabomman, escaped from Palayam Kotte to Kamudi, and Chinna Marudu took them as shelter at Siruvayal. After that, the English East India Company under Colin Macaulay retook Panchalam Kurichi. English East India Company demand Kattabomman brothers Sevathaiah and Oomathurai, but they refused. Colonel Agnew and Colonial Inns marched Sivagangai. In June 1801, the Marudu brothers declared Trichy Proclamation against the British, and also they declared their independence. Students, I am going to recall. Listen here carefully. The siege of Panjalam Kurichi. In May 1799, Lord Wellesley advanced a troop of Trichy, Tanjore, Madurai to Tirunelveli. He ordered the English East India Company against these places. Major Bannerman commanded the troops, and Travancore troops also joined to the British. So they joined together and attacked Tamil peoples. 1st September 1799, the Bannerman asked to Kattabomman to surrender, but Kattabomman was refused. Bannerman attacked Panjalam Kurichi on 5th September. Panjalam Kurichi fort. He attacked the Panjalam Kurichi fort on 5th September. The communications of the fort were cut off. After that, Bannerman deputed Ramalingana to surrender the Kattabomman, but Kattabomman was refused. So Bannerman declared war on Kattabomman, and Siva Subramanian are taken as prisoner. Execution of Kattabomman. The Bannerman attacked Kattabomman. Kattabomman was escaped to Pudukkottai. After that, Kattabomman was captured and put into the prison. And Siva Subramania, after that, Siva Subramania executed at Nagalapuram, and Kattabomman was hanged tamarind tree, on the tamarind tree at Kayatha in Tirunelveli district. The Marudu brothers, Periya Marudu and younger brother Chinna Marudu were able generals of Muthuvadugar of Sivagangai. After the Muthuvadugar death, the Marudu brothers assisted Velu Nachiyar. In the 18th century, Marudu brothers against the English East India Company. After the Kattabomman death, they worked along with Oomathurei. Oomathurei was brother of Kattabomman. The Marudu brothers plundered the granaries of the English and damaged the English East India Company. Rebellion of Marudu brothers. Second Palekaran War. Second Palekaran War directed by Marudu Pandian of Sivagangai, Gopala Nayak of Dindukal, Kerala Varma of Malabar, and Krishnappa Nayaka, Akanayak and Doondaji of Mysore. These leaders joined together and confederacy against the English East India Company. After the secret treaty were concluded at Virupachi, they decided to attack English East India Company. The English East India Company was defeated. The Gopala Nayak of Dindukal and Kerala Varma of Malabar. And also many Palekarans were hanged by the English East India Company. In 1801, the two brothers of Kattabomman, Oomathurei and Sevathaiya, escaped from Palayam Kottai to Kamudi. There, Chinna Marudu took them to Siruvayal. Oomathurei and Sevathaiya escaped to Siruvayal. Colin Macaulay, English East India, under the leadership of English East India Company, retook the Panjalam Kurichi. English East India Company demanded Kattabomman brothers Sevathaiya and Oomathurei, Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes marched to Sivagangai. In that time, the Marudu brothers joined together, and in June 1801, the Marudu brothers Trichy proclamation were issued. Under this proclamation, the independence were declared by the Marudu brothers. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students.